However, in my opinion, this is still not enough for a good risk manager. Let's add more details to give the AI a clearer picture of our client's business. For example, let's form a new prompt. I'm a senior risk engineer with 15 plus years of experience. The client is building a new plant in Thailand, specializing in complex automotive sensor systems for advanced driver assistance systems. Their customers are primarily Tier 1 automotive companies. I work with automotive suppliers globally in a competitive market with quick innovation cycles. What high-impact risks should I investigate to secure the best insurance terms and help them proactively manage risk? Avoid cliches and provide nuanced, research-based answers. Give me at least 3 risks unique to automotive electronics manufacturing in Thailand.